Hello everybody, welcome to my 105th VBA 2010 tutorial. This is going to be our last tutorial on add-ins. I just wanted to go through the different concepts of add-ins. I'm going to do a separate set of tutorials that has different templates, different add-ins, things like that. So if you've got any requests for specific types of add-ins, then just drop them in the comments below or put them on the forum. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to use the various AddIn events. So there's only two of them. So I've got a blank new workbook here that's going to be my add-in. And I'm going to go into my workbook and then into my workbook events. And I don't want workbook open. What I want is at the top. And I've got AddIn install and I've got AddIn uninstall. Now, these are the two events you can use with add-ins. What they're going to do is this one will run when you install it, and this one will run when you uninstall it. And I'm just going to put in some simple code. You can put in more complicated things like creating menu bars, kind of uninstalling them after you've took it off the add-in, or so anything you can think of really you can put in here, but I'm just going to do simple message boxes just to show you when it activates. So message box, add-in installed correctly, and then in uninstalled, add-in uninstalled correctly. And let's put our dashes between our add-in so it looks nicer. Right, there we go. So now I just need to debug compile, and apparently I cannot spell message box. So, and again, so spelling's all over the place today. So debug, and that is why you always compile before you save it. So compiled, and then file, save as, and then change our drop down to Excel add-in, and I'm going to save it as event add-ins. Press save, and then when I go into my add-ins, and now when we go to browse event add-ins, press OK, and you see now that we've installed it, it's coming up with this installed correctly. And if we go on and we untick it, then it's going to say uninstalled correctly. So you can have any code that runs for when people tick this or when they untick it, and you just need to be a little bit creative with what you're doing. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change what happens when you right click, so add something extra to the menu. I think it links on quite nicely because one of the things you can do is run this code when you install it as your add-in. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.